The main role of safety helmet is used to protect the user's head against impact from falling objects by resisting and deflecting blows to the head. Working without safety helmet may expose the workers to falling and hanging objects, which can lead to long-term injuries or even death. Safety goggles prevent chemicals from splashing into eyes, flying debris from damaging the retina, UV rays from damaging eyesight, bright light from impairing vision. Airborne chemicals, dust, and debris are some of the examples of hazards that can cause eye injuries and eye damage.
Earplugs is a part of hearing protectors which is used to prevent noise-induced hearing loss that reduce noise energy to cause damage to the inner ear. The hazard when the workers do not wear this PPE when exposed to the extensive noise, it can kill the nerve endings in workers' inner ear. The effect is permanent hearing loss which is not be able to correct through surgery or medicine. Furthermore, it will limit the ability to hear high-frequency sounds and having difficulty in communication.
High visibility clothing allows others to see you from a greater distance as it is made using fluorescent materials and reflective components. This reduces the chance of being struck by a vehicle or machinery moving around the job site. The human eye responds best to large, contrasting, bright, or moving objects. Therefore, the high color contrast between clothing and the work environment in which it is seen enhances your visibility.
It is essential that employees use gloves specifically designed for the hazards and tasks found in the workplace because gloves designed for one function may not protect against a different function even though they may appear to be an appropriate protective device. Hand protection should be used to minimize the risk of hand injuries. The types of hand injuries to guard against include burns, bruises, abrasions, cuts, punctures, fractures, amputation, and chemical exposure.
Respiratory protective equipment, also known as RPE, used to protect the worker from inhaled hazardous substances at the workplace air. The effect when workers do not use RPE when exposed to the contaminants gases, vapors, aerosols, dust, and mist are pneumoconitis, lead poisoning, dust-related diseases such as asthma, allergic abilities, and irritation. Therefore, suitable RPE need to be provided to the worker.